Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video, we are going to discuss how shadows are formed. But first, please be ready with your pencils and papers for the exercises. What is a shadow? A shadow is a dark area produced when the path of light is blocked by an object. It is usually shaped like the object that blocked the light. The brighter the light source, the darker the shadow formed. What affects shadow formation? The brightness of the light source can affect the intensity of the shadow. The size of the light source can sharpen or blur the shadow. The distance and position of the object with respect to the light source can also affect the size and intensity of the shadow. Objects can be transparent, translucent, or opaque depending on the amount of light that it allows to pass through it. Transparent materials. These materials allow most light to pass through, thus makes the lightest shadows. Examples of these are clear glass, clear plastic, and air. Translucent materials. These materials allow some light to pass through, thus make light to dark shadows. Examples are colored plastics, frosted glass, stained glass, or colored glass. Opaque materials. These materials does not allow light to pass through, thus make the darkest shadows. Examples are metals, dyes, wood, and our body. Now let us answer some exercises about how to make shadows. Exercise 1. Identify the term being described. Number 1. It is a dark area made when light is blocked. Number 2. These are materials that allow light to pass through them. Number 3. It can sharpen or blur shadow. Number 4. These are materials that does not allow light to pass through them. Number 5. It can affect the intensity of the shadow. Number 6. These are materials that allow some light to pass through them. Exercise 2. Write true if the statement is correct, and write false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1. The shape of the shadow depends on the position of light source and the shape of the object. Number 2. The distance of an object to the light source cannot affect the size and intensity of the shadow. Number 3. The human body is translucent. Number 4. Any light source can be used for making shadow. Please do not forget to insert your answer sheet in your clear book. And that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!